Atta atta anaya. Atta atta anaya. I know you're gonna like it. I know you're gonna like it.
Hey guys, so welcome to a brand new vlog. So we are starting off this vlog today on a Thursday night and we are heading out on the road. Yeah, I think for the last few vlogs it may seem that I've been going out quite often. It seems that way, but trust me, it isn't. I haven't lie, for the past probably 2 weekends I have been going out at least once back to back. So it may seem that way, but trust and believe, your girl don't go out like every weekend. Anyways, but like I said, we're starting off this vlog today on a Thursday. I don't know if it's me or my friend. We saw like a brand new, I think it's fairly new bar. It's called Boss Destinations on Instagram. I'll add the Instagram there, and it seems that they're open only on the weekend from Thursdays to Sundays. And tonight they're having like a games night thingy, so I think it's like a bar lounge slash you can play games and something type of vibe. So I wanted to check it out, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out tonight. I'm super excited about that. Somewhere brand new that I can bring you guys and just see what the vibe is like and tell you guys all about it. So I'm gonna head out right now. It's moving on to 8:25. So yeah, gonna check out this brand new spot. I'm gonna take you guys with me and let's see what the vibe is like and see if I recommend it to you guys. So yeah, full fit that we're working with, just regular jeans and top. Yeah, all right. Hey y'all, so I'm on the road. Change of plans. I went to the place that I said we were supposed to go to play games and all of that, and they were closed. So we called the number and a female answered, and she's saying, oh, they're closed, they're not going to be open for today because plumbing issues, blah blah blah. So if you're a business, right, you've been posting on your social media, well, I'm not sure if they posted it today, but it's ongoing that, hey, you're having games night on Thursday. You don't think that you should have update the page to say, hey, we're closed today? Like, we literally went there and asked security, and homeboy said, yo, they're not open. Like, how can you run a business and not let your patrons know that, hey, you are closed for today? So we wasted our time to go there, but we're at a new location. We're at Summit. They're having like a Latin type of vibe going on. Summit is where this is my first time here actually. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna take some Latin lessons for today, and let's see how it goes, y'all. Yeah.
Hey, trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap, being flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it.
Get it, video. What up?
What's up, y'all? So it is a Saturday and we are heading out on the road. Well, we only have like one thing to do today, and I'm heading to a back to school thing that's keeping in Portmore. One of my friends is also on the planning committee and the board, so she's a part of that group that is putting on this back to school for the community, so which is awesome. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and help out with stuff here and there. So I just need to buy the ice cream and then head straight to Portmore. So we're gonna have a fun-filled day today with the kids and see what it's gonna be like. And yeah, we're just gonna have let the kids have some awesome time today, ice cream, games, all of that. And then yeah, because I mean the summer is closing, so yeah. But let's go ahead and head out, and yeah, I got some things to do.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same.
Alright guys, so I grabbed the ice cream and I'm actually in Portmore right now in the line to head into the community. Like over here is so strict. I didn't tell you guys where the fun day is keeping. It's Phoenix Village. Phoenix Park Village is in Portmore. So if anybody knows what over here is, it's very strict. You have to give them your ID, give the name of the person who you're coming with into the community and all of that nonsense. So yeah, but I love it over here. It's very nice, very secure. The houses, the room size there. Yeah, I like over here. It's very cute and very nice. Definitely a nice community. But yeah, we're gonna head inside, I should say, and just have a fun time with the kids. You know, summer is ending, so yeah, it should be a fun day today. I'm so glad, like in Kingston right now, well, the sun is not that out over here, but I thought it was gonna rain today, like based on like I'm not seeing any sun and it's just so overcast. But I'm super glad that's no rain, so great, the kids can have fun today and all of that. I don't even know if they have a bunks because I need to go in one. I haven't been in one in a while. Yo, I can't outside bright, man. Yeah, I haven't been in a bunks in a while, so keeping my fingers crossed them have some type of bunks or something so I can go and have fun. Yeah, I'm a kid too.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dog.
So I need to get my hair done, obviously, because I'm wearing this tam thingy. So I'm heading on the road right now to buy some hair. I am gonna buy the hair that I normally wear. Y'all see me in this hairstyle so many times. It's just literally my go-to hairstyle. When I want to do a quick hairstyle, I buy this type of hair. I think it's a springy afro twist. Like, I have a video on that. I think I did that a year ago. I think that's one of my most viewed videos and comments video, because that video was so good and I got so many views. I think it's probably reached 70. You know what, I'm not gonna lie, but I think it's a lot of views. I know it probably passed 30,000 views at this point, and I had a lot of comments. So yeah, that's the hairs that I'm gonna buy for today. I'm not sure if I can start my hair today, but probably tomorrow is Friday. Actually, today's Thursday, so I may can do that tomorrow, because I don't plan on going anywhere tomorrow, so I can do it between Friday night and finish by Saturday daytime, or I can finish the same Saturday night if I wanna, based on how I feel. So we're gonna grab that here together. I think I want to do it tall, so I'm gonna buy 2 packs. I normally just buy 1 pack and it does my entire hair. Yep, but I think I want like a long hair right now, and summer is over and all that, even though the temperature may not change. Like, we know it's still Jamaica, it's still gonna be hot, but I think I want long hair. Yeah, so I'm gonna buy 2 packs so I can use that to extend it and give me like some long hair. I guess when I reach here I'll decide, but that's the plan. So that's just the vibe. We're just gonna go on the road just for that only and come back our yard. Yeah, because I don't have anything else to do. Oh, I may grab some soup as well for lunch, because I haven't like ate anything yet. But yeah, that's what we're working with, so let's head on the road.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT.
Listen guys, if I knew, oh, I have a space. Yeah, what I was about to say, like for the past couple of days there has been like rain and overcast and all of that, and today it's just so sunny. Like, if I knew, I would have washed, even though that's not how it works. I could have checked the weather still, but as a Jamaican, I don't check weather. We don't check weather. We only, if we need to wash or do errands, we just get up and okay, it's just whatever we feel. If we feel to do it today, we're gonna do it today. Like, we don't check weather. If I feel to get up and wash tomorrow, I'm going to wash. And then when we see the cloud start dark up, I start cuss. Wow, I'm such a Jamaican. Anyways, let me go grab my hair right now. I always buy my hair at Discount Beauty. Yeah, they always, you know, have it. Y'all, it's about 3:30 something right now, and I can't hold the hunger anymore. I am super hungry. I remember I told y'all I only had cereal this morning. Like, I'm super starving, so I decided I'm gonna eat something. Like, I'm not gonna wait until dinner time around 5:30, 6 o'clock, because I really starved and I can't hold it up right now. So let me spin around the camera, show you guys what I have. So for lunch, y'all, we're working with cornbread, tin sausage, and pear. For the tin sausage, I think it's a hot and spicy one, Caribbean choice. This one is way cheaper than the Grace, and the Caribbean choice can work. It almost tastes similar, like the same ish. Don't quote me on that. But this is what we're having for lunch, and some juice. Well, I think I'm feeling for Pepsi right now, and then it's back to work. We need to finish this work.